Hello, welcome to you all. Before we move into the lesson, please focus the picture and tell me. What is this? Yes, it is a pen stand. Can you guess from what it is made? Yeah, it is made out of waste plastic bottle. If we use waste material creatively, we can get many useful items. Now, I am going to tell you a story how waste material turn into wonderful item. Now we are going to read the lesson and our lesson name is Wonderful Waste. This story is about a kingdom that was called Travancore. There was a Maharaja of this place called the Maharaja of Travancore. So student, do you know where is Travancore? Yes, Travancore is in Kerala. Now Travancore is called Trivandrum. It is the capital of Kerala. Once, the king hosted a grand dinner for his special guest. Now, tell me, when do we prepare grand meal? Yes, during marriages and festivals. And to look at the preparation, he went to the kitchen to survey what are the preparation being done for the feast. Now, student, tell me, what is the meaning of survey? Yes, to look closely or examine. Now tell me, what is traditional feast mean? Yes, traditional feast mean grand meal for any occasion. Where he noticed that there was some vegetable waste that was laying around to be just thrown out. So he asked the cook to make some good thing out of it. Otherwise, it will be just wasted. Because he was ordered, the cook had to think of some other way to make use of it. Now, tell me, have you ever noticed vegetable scraps in your house? Yes. And what is the meaning of vegetable scraps? Yes, vegetable scraps are the beast and piece of vegetables that are peeled from the vegetable. He came with a brilliant idea. What did he was? He had cut those vegetable bits into long strips. He put them into the pot and put into the fire. Along with he had added some garlic into it and coconut, some green chilies, some curd and few spoon of coconut oil and decorate it with curry leaves. Once the dish was ready, it was served to the guest that evening and it was loved by everyone. So that feast was came from a basket of waste and this special dish called the avial. Avial became traditional food for Kerala. Now it is how a waste had turned into the beautiful thing. Now tell me, what the things are used to make dish avial? Yes, green chili, coconut, garlic, curry leaves, curd, coconut oil and vegetable waste. Now tell me, what is the traditional dish of Bihar? Yes, it is our delicious litti chokha. Now, what do you learn from this story? Yes, we should not waste anything. Now, read this lesson at your home.